most people get this wrong. They pick a credit builder card based on approval speed alone. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring how the card actually shapes your credit history over time. In this video, we are breaking down Arro card versus Discover It, secured in 2026, and helping you understand which one actually builds stronger credit for your situation. Let's start with the basics. Both cards are designed for people with little or no credit history. They help you build credit by reporting your payment activity, but the structure behind them is very different. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Discover It Secured is a traditional secured credit card. You place a refundable deposit, and that becomes your credit limit. So if Alex deposits $300, that becomes his spending limit. Every payment he makes is reported to credit bureaus. This structure is very stable and widely trusted because it behaves like a standard credit card, just secured with your own money. But here's the problem beginners often miss. A secured card requires upfront cash. That can slow people down if they are trying to start building credit immediately without savings. Now let's look at the Arro card. The Arro card focuses more on accessibility and easier entry. It is designed for users who may not want to lock money into a deposit and prefer a faster onboarding experience. So Jake might choose Arro because he wants to start building credit quickly without needing extra funds up front. But here's where the real difference shows up. Discover It Secured is built around strong credit reporting behavior and long-term credit growth. It is widely recognized in the traditional credit system and often leads to strong credit history development when used responsibly. Arro, on the other hand, focuses more on flexibility and accessibility. It helps beginners get started, but the structure may not always mirror traditional secured credit products as closely. Now let's talk real impact. Credit building is not about how fast you start. It is about how consistently you pay and how reliably your activity is reported to credit bureaus. In a minute, I'll show you a simple rule that helps you decide between any secured card and fintech credit builder in under 10 seconds. Now let's simplify everything. Choose Discover It Secured if you want a structured traditional credit building path and you can afford the deposit. It is one of the most trusted entry-level secured cards in the market. Choose Arro if your priority is fast access and you want to start building credit without locking up funds up front. Let's summarize clearly. Discover It Secured is stronger for long-term structured credit building. Arro is better for accessibility and speed. The right choice depends on whether you value stability or convenience more at the start of your credit journey. If this helped you understand Arro card versus Discover It Secured in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit comparisons like this.